Another vlog, another kwento na naman ng aming buhay pamilya abroad dito sa bansang Oman. For today's vlog, samahan niyo ulit kami sa panibagong kwento na aming ibabahagi sa inyo ngayong araw na ito.
Okay. So, pababa na kami ni Kuya. Kasi punta kami sa avenues. Down po. Tap this and then, no need. Ground first, no need.
Only up need?
Yes po. Yeah, so, una na kami ni Kuya. Kasi, mag-aan muna ako ng car para mapainit na yung car. Then, hintayin lang namin sila doon sa baba. Later. G. Where are we going, Kuya?
To the lobby?
Lobby. We're going down. So I'm going na hanap ko yung sasakyan. Mainit na agad. Grabe. Guys. Mainit, kapeng mainit. Painit muna tayo ng sasakyan. Okay. Oops. Still konting naman. And then today punta na kami sa Avenues Mall. And then after sa Avenues Mall siguro may palaruan doon. So laro lang yung mga bata. And then after that maybe around 2 or 3 balik na kami dito ulit para gusto mag-swimming ulit ng mga bata. So yes, that's all guys.
I said that all the time. Garden. So there are plants inside. I think everyone will have plants inside. Of course.
Nako.
Where?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah.
Mercury. I saw mommy. I saw in the window. I saw that.
Mascot Grand Mall.
Mommy, we went there before, right?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, look.
Oh no.
Bugs. Oh. Bug. Bug. Look, 1 second away. In my school, I took a photo.
Eh, saan ba tayo papunta?
Limo like Endeavor Pig. Yeah. Look, having a disco. Yeah, look. The door is poor people.
No, going IKEA first. No, not allowed.
I don't like IKEA. IKEA has like furniture and not and also.
Mascot Grand Mall. Mascot Grand Mall.
Look. 4, 5.
We're going upper.
Hey, but there's 7 people in parking.
Lower ground.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
King.
Parking lot. We are in a parking lot. What is it?
Okay, we're here sa Avenues Mall. Avenues Mall tayo, no?
Yeah.
We're at
Oman Avenues Mall. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Just bring it kasi si...
Oh.
Oh, be careful. Oops, slowly, Daddy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Pasok na kami. Wala tayo kaya? So, nandito na kami. Pasok na. First time ba dito? First time natin? Avenues? Oman Avenues. Punta muna kami kay IKEA. Hindi pa ako napasok dyan eh.
So Puni is the tiniest. She's the shortest. I'm the youngest. Yeah.
Ano ba yung buhok mo, kuya?
Mommy, where are we going?
I don't know.
Ito yung mga showroom.
Ganda. Yes po.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Oh.
Para saan? Para saan?
Dalawa mo? Dalawa.
Dalawa? Asan yun? Ito.
Kapatan mo.
Apat.
Kasi ang dalawa nito sa home center, 700.
Dos. Dos.
Mommy.
Yes, mami. Sleepy na? Hi, kuya.
Kitchen is big, right?
Iksi lang.
Small? Kasya sa akin.
Dos. Quiet po.
Do you know what?
Bottle opener. Cork.
How small? Ano sana tayo? Maiksi lang. Gusto ko maiksi para mabilis na suot.
Hindi pasukan agad ang water.
Huh? Hindi.
Yes.
Baka pa isa. Oh!
This thing. I like a room like this.
Nice oh, 1.5 lang. O alin? Yung ano, patungan. Roar. Yung isa, para kay kuya. Pang regalo. Yun. Bili kami ng plate ni baby at saka spoon. Po. Anak ko, delikado. Welcome po. Welcome.
Downstairs. You have already sold one already.
Ito, oh, magkano to? Ah, mahal, 10 reals. Ayun, no, totoo to? Ah, totoo to. 14 reals, oh. Totoo. Tower 3 yan, diba?
Mami.
Po. Sorry.
Better now. Mami, we're going elevator.
Elevator.
No.
Our lowest price. Okay. Ay, Panda, oh. Si Panda, oh. Oh. Mga discount.
Going the tunnel. You're going to play?
This one.
Naikot namin. Laki pala na ito. Ay, kaya.
Taas, baba. Taas, baba. Inabot na kami ng alas 12 ng madaling araw.
Ang alin?
Ayan o. Ang oras.
Tayo na.
Pag may binili kang malalaki na ano, dito mo kukuhanin. Aanuhin mo lang yung number sa taas.
Parang walang na to. Kami sa IKEA. Lalaro daw ang mga bata. Ayan. Yay! Mag-play si Baby Dos.
Yes, yo guys. So, dito sila galaro yung mga bata sa Oman Avenue Mall. Ito ay ano to? Phantasmo. Yeah, Phantasmo. Galaro sila dito.
50. Magkano? 5 reals. Okay. Roller coaster. Oh. Nice.
I buy ang card. Yes. Go to mommy. Go to mommy. Go kuya there. You want there? Huh?
700.
Yeah.
Ilang points to?
500 there. 500 there, sir.
700 by isa.
Go.
Wow.
Yeah, tap it. Tap.
Layo-layo ako.
Tap.
Wala yun?
I don't know.
Baka mapuwasan.
3, 2,
Go.
ready?
Go, guys! Go! Go, dali! You have card?
Yeah. This.
Go! It's okay.
It's okay.
I was okay. Oh, okay. Hey, say hi up. Hi, T. Kuya. Si Kuya.
They were stuck.
Let's go there! Sa iba naman kami. Nakakatuwa. Pati yung matanda nag-enjoy. Pati yung Pati matanda nag-enjoy. Dos, uncle, oh. Dos, uncle. Dos. Yan. Ay, uncle. Dos.
Si Mama parang
Iyak yan.
Oh, me?
You want that, right?
Here. Ha? Here ako? Ang daddy, oh. Daddy. Daddy. Oh. Nakay si daddy. Woo!
Go, kuya! Kuya! Go!
Ay, I want to go.
$1 na lang? 1.4 na lang. Mag-carousel daw sila. Wow, oh, Spanish bread mo na ko. Ano gusto mo?
Ito, 1.8 may rice na. Gusto niyo, mag-take away? Or ano, Jollibee na lang. Mag-order. Talabat. Hindi, tinapay.
Tinapay. Ito, pandikoko.
Saan pala sa nila?
Anak ko. Ay! So, binibigay ko na kay kuya. Tiningnan ako ni kuya eh. Ay. What do you want po? Yan, ensaymada.
One and seven.
So, ito yung in-order namin. Kuha ko siopaw. Chicken ba to? Ayan, chicken.
Separate cake.
Kung ano ko an? Wallet. Ganyan po kayo naman ako. Francis. Nasa iyo po yung card. Tulog pala. Ha? Tulog. Tulog na? Tulog na, bebe?
Oo. Maga kasi nagising.
Kaya pala na, ano siya, inaano ko. Tulog pala siya. Inaano ko. Nagagalit.
Tulog na si baby. Po. So, nakakabili na kami ng tinapay. Filipino bread. Yung lunch namin, orderin na lang namin sa Talabat. Magja-Jollibee na lang kami. Since nandito kami sa city, Muscat. So, ngayon pabalik na kami ng hotel. Katulog na si Baby Dos. Ano kami? Free meal sa Swedish restaurant from IKEA. So, i-ano lang namin. Redeem. Kanin lang namin. So, ano lang kami. Claim na to. Minsan lang mapunta. Kakain lang kami dito saglit, then balik na kami sa hotel. Naalala namin yung free meal.
Yeah, cool.
You can enjoy.
Right, bro?
Okay.
Okay. My one is
How's Salala?
Really very
Afghanistan.
Still cold.
it's nice. Weather nice, right? Up, cold. Not cold.
Argentina.
In a teen,
Okay.
after 5 it's very cold. You have to wear. After 5 p.m. After 4, like 4, after 4, 5, okay. Start to get cold with
You.
you know,
What?
not rain, like
You.
a little bit snow.
You. Let you.
It is nice. The area is nice, it's green. You can go, by the way, it's not expensive, huh? But you do book on like
Katapos lang namin kumain nung free meal from IKEA. Ngayon pabalik na kami ng hotel.
Why are elevators so? Mommy.
Yes po! Gising na pala, baby. Uwi na kami. Magsiswimming daw ang mga bata. So, dito na kami sa car park. We're here.
Mother's milk.
ang sarap ang
Hey.
burger, malaki lang, mura.
Wait. What other place are we going? Pool. That's kind of
Oh, we're here. Ayun.
Imagine we were in the pool.
We're back.
Diretso eh. Ba, hindi natin alam.
Actually, where is the pool? In the very floor.
We're
There, you can see
back.
that. I